Hello guys, today I will be telling you about a website WordPress which creates websites for you with no coding at all. Okay, so head over to wordpress.com. Now click on get started. Continue with your Google or Apple account. Now here you could choose a domain if you want a new one. I'm just using this as a sample wass.blog. Okay, so here are the plans: free, personal, premium, business, commerce, enterprise. You could choose accordingly according to your requirements. So first I will be using the start free version. In the free version you will be able to have a domain on the internet. Now here you have to write down the goals. I'm just selecting a random one. Now here you have many designs for your website. You can choose the one that works best for you. Click on continue. Now you have to click on launch your site, and that's it. That's how easy it is to build your website on WordPress.